So here is my honest review around one of the fastest growing digital marketing courses with Master Resell Rights and one of the lowest priced digital courses that is currently on the market. The Digital Boss Academy is currently trending #1 on the Skool app because of its community and its level of engagement. But what about the actual course? Is it worth purchasing this course and then reselling it onto other people? Or is it actually going to give you the skills that you need to go on and earn money, not through selling the course, but through other means? The first thing I want to show you guys who is the founder of the Digital Boss Academy. It's a lady called Billionaire Brooke on Instagram and on TikTok. And she talks about her story of cleaning hotel rooms or having real low paid jobs and then going into digital marketing and making a ton of money and deciding to create her own digital course. She collaborated with multiple different experts in order to create this program, and she priced it considerably lower than all of the other Master Resell Rights digital courses that are currently on the market. Like I said before, the program is actually on Skool.com. I'm going to have my phone and I'm going to be going through it, but everything that I'm doing on my phone is going to be screen recorded here. So the program is on Skool.com. Once you get access to the Digital Boss Academy, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come into the actual community tab. And this community is so busy and active and also very supportive. If you're someone new to this type of program, you can leave a comment in here if you're struggling with anything, and I guarantee you're going to get responses from someone. So this community tab, they've got one that's called Millionaire Mindset. The next one is about Share Your Wins. Now, anytime I'm going live on TikTok or I'm creating any kind of content around the Digital Boss Academy, I always go to your Share Your Wins because it always gives me encouragement. I'm going to be super quick on this because I find these videos quite boring when you're kind of doing a deep dive. But when you go through the actual Share Your Wins, you're going to see so many different people in here who are talking about different things that they've made money from. So this person here has got Amazon KDP wins, and they're talking about how they've done like sketchbooks, people talking about how they've done coloring books, done drop shipping, how they've made 10 sales in one day, and so on. So the Share Your Wins page can be really encouraging and inspiring. Then you've got the general discussion page. Then you've got a content check page where you can actually upload your content and you can get feedback from people. Then it's got the actual new logos, it's got support chat, it's got Spanish, French, and the Somali modules as well. And then they also actively do giveaways. So there's an actual new tab that is for giveaways. Now, when you go over to the top where it says classrooms, this is where you're going to actually access all of the different training and the courses. So this is what everyone is really interested in. I love that they begin it, like most courses, with the start here. Most people who grab this course, their intention is to resell it. That's how most people have made their money. So people want to know, how do I go about actually setting it up on my Stand Store, Beacon Store, System.io, or my website? So the Start Here tab is what gives you all of that information. I use Stand Store. So when you go into here, it gives you a video on how you're going to set it up in your own Stand Store. So I use this video, and I also use a little bit of information from YouTube as well. Another thing that people tend to get stuck with when they're doing the setup is, what do I put in my actual description? What do I put in my email confirmation? And I love DBA because they actually didn't leave you to figure that out all for yourself. They actually have an email confirmation template that you can actually go on and use. They actually have a description that you can go on and use, and so on. So the setup process is pretty straightforward. It's going to teach you how to use the different platforms. The next thing is going to be about the Federal Trade Commission, and that talks about not sharing your wins and putting them on the screen, or not falsifying any money that you've earned. It then talks about launching. So for someone like me who came from a salon owner, hair extensionist, to then start selling digital products, you always get a little bit anxious and a little bit stuck about how you're going to actually launch this and talk about it to your actual community. Whether you're going to create a completely brand new page that is solely around digital marketing, or whether you're going to actually sell it to your own community. Regardless, you need to have a little bit of information around how are you going to launch this? What type of content could you create? So I love that they have an entire module around launching. They then have an entire module around leads boost, which is their affiliate marketing, because the volume 3 is actually affiliate. I only sell volume 1 and volume 2, and I'll link them both below for you if you're interested after watching this video. The next thing they've got is Beacon Stand Store and System.io. These are the platforms that people tend to use to resell the actual courses on. You're going to get 100% profit. You need to create your own Stand Store, your own System.io, or your own Beacon account, and then you just attach these courses to it to give people access. Then it goes into how you're going to build a bomb-ass brand. Now, as a business owner and someone who coaches people in hair extensions, I always say to them, if you are showing up on social media, regardless of how you feel, you are creating a brand. People will know you for your glasses, people will know you for your humor, they'll know you for your music, and you will become a brand that someone identifies with those particular things. So you want to make sure that when you're building a brand, you are building a brand correctly that aligns with who you are, your values and your integrity. So I love that they have a bit that's on building your own brand. The next module that they go into is digital marketing. And as you can see here, in the digital marketing, it teaches you all about the buyer's persona, 30 days content strategy, even selling scripts. It goes, let's talk about content. And as you can see here, it's got some modules around let's talk about content. Then it's got mastering the reels and reels examples of how you're going to make content. It goes into digital resources, mastering your opening hooks, your hashtags and SEO. And as you can see, that's quite a big one. And then how to sell digital products as well. So I love that one because if you're a beginner, you're going to need that information. It then goes into mastering your social media. And again, this module here talks about TikTok shop, as you can see here. Talks about TikTok classes, and it goes into a whole lot of different information around your social media platform. One of the things that sold it for me was their PLR Vault. As someone who's a complete digital product junkie, I'm always getting digital ebooks from people I don't know, people I do know. So if you go into the PLR Vault, it looks like it's quite small, right? Because this is all you can see. But then if you click on more PLR, you'll see that it's got all of these different PLR, which is just private label rights. Slightly different from Master Resell Rights in the sense that these, you can privatize them. So you simply click on them, it will take you over to Canva, you can edit them out and you can privatize them and resell them as your own product. Whereas when you get Master Resell Rights means that the owners of them hold the masters, but you have the right to resell them. You cannot edit it, you cannot change it, you've got to sell it in its entirety. So the PLR Vault for me is fire. The PLR Vault is amazing. The fact that you're going to have over 200 digital products that you can go, and let's say that you're someone whose platform tends to talk about finances. They've got finances in. Let's say that you're someone who talks about like planners and journals, or you talk about fitness and nutrition. It's going to have an ebook for you. It's even got beauty-based business ones in there. They are not going to be packed with lots of information. They're not going to be packed with all of the imagery that you actually want. So you will have to take them over to Canva and edit them for yourself. The next thing that it's got a replay vault of all of the different Zoom meetings. If I go back up to the top of the page, I'll click on calendar. And as you can see in the calendar section here, you can see these little blue circles. And then underneath it, these are all live webinars that they have different experts come in and host for completely free. Once you've got access to the program, you can attend these webinars. As you can see here, today we're on the 22nd. If I click on the 24th, you'll see that they've got Instagram editing one, morning prayers, and then a new members onboarding call, just in case new members need some support. So I'll go back over to the classroom tab and I'll scroll down now. And we were just after the PLR Vault. I was explaining to you that you can access all of those Zoom meetings for completely free. And what they do is they put some of them on the replay inside of here as well. We haven't even got into the volume. So I sell volume 1 and volume 2. If you purchase volume 2, you get access to volume 1 automatically anyway. So let's go into volume 1. So volume 1, these are multiple ways for you to make an income online and offline. So the first thing that they cover is your mindset, because that is going to be crucial. If you have a defeated personality or your mindset is feeling low, like this is not going to work, what's going to happen is it's not going to work. If you feel like this is a complete fad and I've tried and I'm not getting anywhere, even though you know the person next to you is having success, it's very likely that you are not going to have success. So let's combat our mind and making sure that we have a winner mentality and that we know that it's only us who is the person standing in our way and we can achieve anything that we want. So it goes into mindset mastery, and as you can see here, there's a few different courses on that. Then you've got a couple of different courses on emails as well, email marketing. Then it goes into CapCut. I love CapCut and I really struggle to edit in CapCut. So as you can see here, there's a few different modules or different resources around how you're going to edit in CapCut. There's a 2-minute class on it, and then if you click on next here, you're going to go into a 9-minute class teaching you how to film and edit using CapCut. The next thing that it goes into is automation. Then it's got SEO, personal business credit, UGC, so user generated content classes, starting an Airbnb business, Canva training, affiliate marketing, network marketing, taxes, content creation. Look at the content creation module, that is absolutely huge. Then it goes into all about AI, having a beauty business, still going guys. Then it talks about your actual funnels and then how you can get access to grants. It's got a vault that is around grants. This is all within our volume 1. So now let's look inside of volume 2, and as you can see here, I'm going to put volume 2 just on the side. So volume 2 has some welcome videos and it's got some materials that you can use. It's also got email confirmations and PDFs that you can use when you are wanting to resell this actual program. It gives you access to the logo for volume 2 and some other materials. It then goes into TikTok Shop. This was definitely one of the things that sold it for me. As someone who does TikTok affiliate videos, I wanted to get more of a deep dive and see what I was maybe doing wrong or I could improve on. So it's got a whole module on TikTok Shop, which people are making thousands of pounds every single day, week, for using TikTok Shop. So then the next module that it goes into, Pinterest, how you're going to drive traffic to your actual digital products using Pinterest. I think that's great because not everyone wants to rely solely on social media. It then talks about Etsy and how you can sell physical and digital products on Etsy. Then it goes into how you can become a virtual assistant, which I think is incredible because no other programs are actually offering this. It's got 2 different modules around dropshipping. It's got Shopify, how you can manage a Shopify website. It's got LinkedIn, how to become a virtual travel agent, marketing completely faceless. So many people cannot do content creation or have a social media page because of business reasons, because of privacy reasons, because of their employers, multiple different reasons. And they know that there's tons of shy girls out there. They created a huge module that is all around shy girl and how you can do just as well as everybody else, but do it completely faceless. The next thing they've done is they put in a men's module. And I really like this because even my husband is considering doing this, but all he's seeing is women doing it. So this is a men's module teaching men how they're gonna market this same program, or they're gonna learn the skills from the actual program without any problems. Then it goes into how you can do wholesale real estate. It goes into Turo Business, which I believe is a car-based company based in the US, but we don't have it in the UK. Then it's got YouTube, how you can actually successfully do YouTube, monetize your YouTube channel and make money. Amazon KDP, so that you can have planners, ebooks, coloring books, whatever you want on Amazon with ease. So it's got a course around that. Then it's got Mastering Manifesting, which I absolutely love. It's got Stocks for Beginners, Life Insurance, Homeschooling, Lemon 8, which is a social media platform, a virtual call center, and then a Turo Business again. So this is the volume 1 and volume 2 that I just covered. I have access to volume 3, but I don't resell it because it's an affiliate platform. So what I would suggest that you do is if you want access to volume 3, I would go and grab volume 2 from me. And then once you're inside the community, just upgrade and pay for volume 3 when you're in there. Then it's got an email vault as well. So it teaches you how to do email. This email vault actually is around the templates that you can use when it comes to email marketing. So it's going to give you different templates that you can then go on and actually nurture people who have got your freebie. Content inspiration is fantastic. So if you are someone who is going to venture into this and you've got no idea how to come up with any content, I get this all the time from the 200 people who are inside my community who see all my content, but they're still struggling with what they should create. DBA's got you covered because they have an entire module that is around content inspiration for you to actually follow. And if you are someone who wants to do this completely faceless, they've got a content vault. So the content vault, I'll quickly click on it. And as you can see here, it's got over 43,000 videos that you can put into Canva. You can edit, put your text on screen, save it, and then put it on your social media platform. That to me is incredible. You could go an entire year, 2 years without ever having to show your face and posting this content instead of having to post yourself. Then it's got the support module, and then it's got the awards for people who had hit particular milestones inside the community. And then it's got your French, Spanish, and Somali community, as well as Digital Boss Academy merchandise if you wanted to get t-shirts, mugs, or anything like that. There is very little critique that I actually have of this program, but I do think there's a few different areas where I think they could have improved as someone who is a complete beginner into this. So the one thing that I think that they could do is they shouldn't make assumptions that people know how to navigate around Skool.com. And I'm not talking about once you access Skool, I'm talking about prior to getting access. So the email confirmation, I had to write in my email confirmation that once you gain access to the Skool community, where you find the actual courses is in the classroom tab. Now that might seem really, really obvious to someone who is already in a Skool community, knows how to navigate around it, or might have watched someone's live demonstrating how you go around these actual communities and courses. But if you're someone who has just seen a couple of TikTok videos and you're ready to actually make the investment, once you get inside of it, you feel like you're lost completely because you're like, I don't understand where all these classes are. I don't understand how I actually navigate around it. It's only when you get inside the classroom tab that you actually can watch the initial videos, like the first few videos that will tell you how to navigate around it. But if you didn't even know how to get there, how would you actually see that video? Another thing that I think is it's got so much information inside of it that it can become a little bit overwhelming. So what I actually have to tell my students is go through module 1, 2, 3, 4, Master those, get an understanding of your brand, how you're going to use social media, the type of content for social media, how to get it set up in your stand store. Master those things and then go back to learn about additional side hustles, especially if you're someone who wants to learn a side hustle but also wants to resell it. I always say to them, do the reselling stuff first, get it out of the way, don't actively promote it, but once it's all set up and out of the way, then you can go back and start going through the other things. By having that guidance, I think people have been able to kind of ease their way into it and not feel completely overwhelmed. There's a couple of things that I think that they've done really well is that they've kept their videos condensed, very short and direct to the point. There's no fluff, there's no talking about lots of different things before they actually get to the point. And I think that's what people want. People have already made up their mind. I've clicked on the dropshipping part. Because I've clicked on that, I don't want to hear all of the fluff. I want explanation, of course I do, if I'm a complete beginner. But sometimes I feel like when you get on YouTube pages and things like that, more long form videos, people can waffle quite a lot and then you lose interest, especially someone like me who's got a very short attention span. Another thing that I love is their community. I find their community is very, very supportive. And they're very active on social media. If you go live and you're talking about the Digital Boss Academy, I guarantee you someone's going to pop into your live who is also selling it. Whether they're from America, whether they're from South Africa, doesn't matter where they are in the world, they all tend to come in and they support each other. And I really, really love that. What I really like is that they brought in multiple different experts and your training or your education that you're getting is not from one specific person. It kind of reassures you a little bit that actually you are speaking to someone who has got those specific credentials or those specific experience or that specific experience, as opposed to someone who has tried multiple different things and they're just telling me how I'm going to go about doing it. So I actually really like that it's got multiple different experts inside of it. So guys, if you are interested in grabbing the Digital Boss Academy, I obviously am going to have it linked down below. I will do a video on the Ultimate Branding course, the SMGB and Selling with Confidence, as those are other courses that I have. I will link them down below and I will link them to my stand store. So if you want to, you can go and purchase it. You get access to my WhatsApp community, which is rapidly growing. When I started, it was just me and my sister. And that was only in the month of November, I believe, November or December. And now we're in the month of January and it's over 200 members. So once you purchase it from me, you get access to my support community. DBA has a huge support community anyway. You're gonna learn a ton of different skills. And the bonus is when you sell it, you get 100% profit. If you're interested in more content like this, be sure to comment what you want to see from me next. Make sure you save, hit the notification bell, and just share it with anyone who you think might be interested. Thank you so much for watching.